Alright everyone, this is the assembly of the Shoot the Moon build, and as you can see we got all our pieces. We got a support board, scoring board, pivot block, our dowel rods, and then we have 6 1 1/4 inch screws. And the first piece we're going to attach is the support board here. Okay, I might have forgotten to show you that we need to make sure we make the X's, and you can see I missed slightly. I hope that's not a problem. It should be okay. It should be okay. We're gonna hope and figure. So if you miss slightly, that's okay. I'm going to here, but what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add the screws first to the support board. Now it's a lot easier to use a table vise if you have it in front of you, or have a partner hold it for you. And if you see right there, just a little bit of the screw is sticking through the support board, and that's so when you align it with the other drill holes, you can find them a lot easier. Then you do the other one real quick. And if you run into any problems, yes, you can bring the pieces to me. Always try yourself first. Since I'm right-handed, I'm going to switch the sides here. I'm going to align them right here on the table. Now, if you don't have a table vise, what I'm doing here is I'm holding the piece I'm attaching to, and then if you can see here, okay, I am attaching. See that? And they went in a little crooked, and that could be the holes that I drilled. That could be the way I went, so you got to be careful. But they start to straighten out. Notice how I switch between the two, because I keep it nice and flush, right up against each other, so it does not come loose. And as I'm attaching these screws, I'm not just twisting gently, I'm pushing. You can see my hands, my knuckles getting a little white here, or in between my knuckles. I'm pushing into the support board with the screw and using a lot of force and torque. Now ideally, you don't want you can hear a knocking, you want to go in a table vise or closer to the edge. But for the purposes of this video, I'm willing to let my knuckles keep hitting. And there you go. We're not looking for perfect, not on this round, but if you get them attached, that's all that matters. What we do want is flush, nice and level. Okay? Now, you can see I made mistakes here. I corrected them. Wasn't trying to hide it. I misdrilled. If you misdrill and you have room, you do it. Otherwise, do not. Now I'm going to flip this over. Okay? I'm hanging the board off the table. Okay? And right here, I'm going to double check my screws. Make sure I got the right one. I know. I had to look. It's this one and this one. Right and right. So what you might want to do is get a pencil if you mess up and mark the ones that you're supposed to be using. Yeah, I know. It's like I said, it's okay to make a mistake. Just fix it. And as you can see, just going to get a portion of it through so it's easier to attach. Now what one person has asked me already is, wait, you have 6 screws, and if the other screws are going to go in as well in the same area for the dowel rods, aren't they going to hit? No. There's enough room for both. There is space with the dowel rods. And you can see they are sticking through just enough for us to attach our block. And if it doesn't attach perfectly, it's not the end of the world. You can see there's a little bit of line. We do want it straight, but as long as that notch and that notch are aligned, you're in the good. Now, you can hold it like this, lay it on the table. I prefer holding it. My thumb can hold it in place. You can table vise it. And now I want to take this one out a little bit because you can see it's slightly off there. Sometimes the blocks will twist, the pieces will twist. You just want to adjust it back, trying to hold it in place. Clamps work sometimes as well, but clamps can also get in the way, just like when you're using a table vise. Remember, you want to keep the block straight. If it's slightly off the edge, not a problem. It's just you want to keep it aligned so the game doesn't get twisted and misaligned. Okay, so we got these in, and you really want to try your best to get the screws all the way in so it doesn't adjust the base. If you hear a loud crack, that means you're going to be restarting and you snap the wood. A little bit of crack here and there, not a problem. Alright, so there we are. We got the main parts. Now you want to dowel rods, put them through first. Yeah, they're going to roll off. That's okay. Some people like to attach the screws before you slide them through that opened up slot area, but not an issue. Hold the dowel rod, make sure the screw's going in straight. Yes, it is a very high possible chance you could snap them, like I almost did. You could also attach the screw in the table vise if you would like. See how I got a little bit? Now I'm just going to hold it in place, and it does help to have someone holding this, but I got it. And you want to go all the way down because there is a smooth part on the screw that you can see right here. And that's the part that's going to swivel. You don't want the threads because it won't turn easily. So you keep going. And if you need help, let me know. I'm here to help. Now, I will admit what just happened was my pivot block just snapped. If that happens, come get a new one. For the purpose of this video and not to waste your time, I'm going to keep going. But you now know what to do. And like I said, if you decide to go the other way, you just want to attach, you can twist the screw in just to start it. And there you go. And that's the other way you can do it. Okay? Well, unfortunately, with that happening, not much luck. I'll either have to make a new video, but this will have to do for now. And if you need a new pivot block, like I said, I got plenty. It's just falling apart now. The wheels are coming off. But you would attach the second one, and they would both be in, and you would have your assembled Shoot the Moon. Okay, once it's fully assembled, come get a marble. You can test it out, but don't forget you are going to want to decorate these scoring holes, and there are videos and pictures of, or I'm sorry, there's pictures of what you can label them as. Any questions, feel free to ask.